Welcome to my channel, where I share the secrets to success and wealth accumulation. Today, I'm going to reveal the 9 crucial rules of money that you must follow if you want to achieve true financial abundance. So grab a pen and paper, because you don't want to miss a single one of these game-changing principles. Rule 1: Pay yourself first. Before you do anything else with your money, make sure to set aside a portion for savings or investments. This simple habit can make a world of difference in building your wealth over time. Rule 2: Harness the power of compound interest. By letting your money grow through investments, you can watch your wealth multiply exponentially. Remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but what you do with that money that counts. Rule 3: Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Building wealth is much easier when you have a support system of people who share your goals and aspirations. Seek out mentors and peers who can challenge and inspire you to reach new heights. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Rule 4: Set clear financial goals. Whether it's buying a new home, starting a business, or retiring early, having specific targets in mind will motivate you to take action and stay disciplined in your financial journey. Rule 5: Budget diligently. Keep track of your income and expenses to ensure that you're living within your means and saving for the future. Remember, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Rule 6: Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your values and priorities. Avoid frivolous expenses that don't bring true value to your life, and focus on investments that will provide long-term benefits. Rule 7: Embrace adversity. Building wealth is rarely a smooth journey. Setbacks and obstacles are inevitable. It's how you respond to these challenges that will ultimately determine your success. Stay resilient and keep pushing forward. Rule 8: Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. Remember, fortune favors the bold but also the diversified. Rule 9: Believe in yourself. You have the power within you to achieve financial greatness. Trust in your abilities, stay focused on your goals, and never underestimate the potential of your own dreams. Follow these 9 rules of money, and watch as the path to riches unfolds before you. Thanks for watching, and remember, greatness awaits those who dare to chase it.